Welcome to Uganda, the pearl of Africa. It is the land of my ancestors. Her people are very welcoming and friendly. They will make you feel right at home. The music, the dance is very unique here in Uganda. Uganda is breathtaking. Did you know Uganda has the youngest population in the world? They say, throw a seed on Ugandan soil and you will never go hungry. Uganda's soil is rich and fertile. Almost anything can grow in Uganda. I almost forgot to mention the delicious food and fruits that can be found in Uganda. My favorite is the mashed bananas and peanut sauce, locally called matoke and binyebwa. Welcome to Uganda, everybody, the pearl of Africa. Welcome to